All right, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Garmin Striker 4 fish finder. All right, so when we first open it up, we got the unit itself. Looks like we got the cords that connect your fish finder to the battery. And then we got the transducer. And then we got the mount for the unit. Unit will mount on top of here, and then you can mount it to whatever you're mounting it to on the bottom here. And then we got the mounting hardware, which a lot of the unboxing videos, they don't show you what's in here. And I think it'll be a good idea to open this up and see what's all included. And then we got some instruction booklets. This one's for the transom mount transducer setup. And then this looks like mounting instructions included with some general instructions. All right, so now, as promised, I'm gonna open up the transducer mounting hookups that are in here. Pretty sure comes with a mount if you want to put it on your trolling motor, and then it comes with a mount if you just want to drill it directly to the transom. In my case, I want a more portable option, so I'm going to probably mount it on my trolling motor, most likely, actually. Okay, so here looks like the bracket that would mount directly on your transom of your boat, and it looks like some of the hardware for the trolling motor mount as well. And then we got some zip ties, which I'm guessing is for the trolling motor mount. So when you're running your line up from the bottom of the trolling motor up to the top, that goes to your actual fish finder unit, you can tie the wire down so it's not going everywhere. And then this looks like the actual mount for the bottom of the trolling motor. So if you can see here, see how it's curved? This will go directly on the bottom of your trolling motor, and then you would wrap it around with this over the top and through these holes somehow, and then it would secure it to your trolling motor. And a lot of people are probably wondering right now, well, geez, everybody knows that. Well, people who are just getting into, fishing with a skiff, an aluminum boat or a dinghy or a kayak, this is all new to them. So I like to, explain this stuff for those kinds of people. And then, could be wrong, but like I said, I think this is the actual, it's like rubber. That might be for the transom, that might not be. I think it is though. So, got some fasteners. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that's for the trolling, or yeah, for your trolling motor mount. And then various bolts and hardware for all your mounting options. But yeah, so what I plan on doing with this fish finder is I want to kind of turn it into a portable fish finder. And the reason for that is so I can take it between me and my dad's 12-foot aluminum boat and my 12-foot dinghy very easily. So what I'm probably gonna do, I've been thinking about it, I'm gonna go with two options. First, I'm gonna go with the Garmin fishing kit. Comes with a bag, a mounting plate that goes inside of the bag, a battery, your connecting hardware to connect to the battery. Actually comes with a float, so you could use it for ice fishing as well. But I'd just like to have that option. It's kind of like a carry bag. I can carry it anywhere with me. Fits into, would be able to fit into my backpack. I can take it very easily. The other option that I want to explore and probably do is get a small cooler for it and actually mount the fishing unit on top of the small cooler, and then inside would house the battery, and I would drill some holes, through the top of it, and all the wires would connect, going through those holes. But the reason for that would be I could put that on the floor of the aluminum boat or the dinghy, and I wouldn't have to worry about water getting in there and destroying the unit. So I think those are the two options that I'm going to go with. If you want to see, there's a lot of cool videos out there on YouTube of people creating little portable options with it, with little like ammo boxes. They'll mount the unit on top of that and put the battery inside. Would definitely recommend you guys check those out. But yeah, if you like this video today, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing some videos here soon on my new 12-foot dinghy that I got from Saturn. I'm going to be doing some fishing on it, obviously, hence why I have this. And going to be going out on some adventures. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please subscribe. Thanks, guys.